All right, going for something a little different today. This is going to be the band Muse. This is going to be their cover version of Gershon Kingsley's Popcorn. So this was kind of a like late 60s tune, very kind of computerized sounding. And Muse took this and made it into like a rock and roll barn burner. And this is an instrumental tune. So I'm going to start out with this first riff. Okay, so we got 10 and 12 here on the B string. Got the 11 on the G, 12 on the D, back to the 11 on the G, to the 9th fret of the D. Do it again. Then we're going to come up to the 12 on the B string. So that's 12, 14, 15, 14, 15. And then 12, 14, 12, 14. So that was 10, 12, 10, and then 12 on the G. Back to 10, 12. So all together we have. Okay, then we have a new part. Okay, so that's going to be that whole part, kind of repeats. So we got 14, 12, 14, 15 on the B, 14 on the G, back to that 15, to the 11 on the G. So it's, and then again. And then we're starting on the 14. So it's 14, 16, 17, 16, 17. And then 14, 16 twice, and then so that was 12, 14, 12, 15 on the B, back to the 12, 14. So that whole thing is. Then it repeats. Okay, so let's take a look at all of what we've done so far. So we had. And then the band kind of peps up its beat, and we have. So we have a little pull off there where we didn't have that before. So that's a little different. So a little bit different timing maybe on that one. So that's that new kind of rhythm there. Then we're going to have some tremolo picking. So we started out on the 10. So 9, 10, 9 to 7. 10, 12, 14. 12, 10, 10 again. Then we're going to go up to the 17. 16, 17, 14. And then 17, 19, 21. You can kind of go da-da-da if you want. Then slide back into 17. And then we're back to. So that's all kind of repeated stuff. And then we have these 10s again. Now that time we don't go up to the high one. We're getting ready for the end of the song. We're going to go. So these are B octaves. That's 12th fret of the 2nd string to 9th fret of the D string. So 4 times. And then we're going to go to the lower octave B, so that 9th fret of the D to the big 7th fret. Okay, so the whole thing would be. So we switch up the feel there. Okay, that was Muse's cover of Gershon Kingsley's Popcorn from the late 60s. So look for more Muse coming up soon, and thanks for watching Damon Wood Guitar Lessons. There will be a tab with this. Talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.